DreimeR'Z. So I just ordered a wig, right, from Love Me Hair. And it's here. That's a hot mess. Look at that. I do hair, so I'm wrong. But I be throwing jam up on the edges, you know, throw it tight. Anyway, so I'm gonna open it up. So let's see. Is it focused? Yeah. Well, Love Me Hair. Nice little bow on it. I'm stupid. How y'all doing though? Yeah, I went out and I came back and it was here, and it wasn't supposed to be here until it said the 29th of June, so it came pretty fast. Like 3 days. 3 days it came. Oh, this is the package. It's cute. And before I open that, I put like a little paper. Can't really see it, but it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Love Me Hair. Thank you, Helena. I'm hype. I didn't even see the hair yet. I just know. So they sent me a wig cap. And I have this little bag you can like keep your hair supplies in. So let's see what's inside. All right, so we got a rat tail comb. You have the infamous Love Me hair clips. We have some bobby pins. The strap, you know, that you could add on to the wig to tighten it up. Here, thank you, Helena. And then I have, oh, okay, nice. Sent me some tweezers. Hey, but I didn't even see the hair yet. See if they good. Let me see. They alright. I don't really have a lot of hair right there. I don't know why I did that. And y'all let me. But how y'all doing? They sent me this. Okay, this for your edges. Alright. Oh, I could even, cause I'm gonna need this, cause by the time I go to work on tomorrow, because I gotta take my hair out. I'm not gonna take it out. I could probably take it out today. How I look. It's cute. We'll have to get silly real quick, so. And now let's open the wig. If you know me, then you know I love a wig. Alright. I'm so excited. Like, I feel like this is a 10-inch bob. The hair is soft. So, you know how it goes, like stuffed. Okay. It's pretty thick, the density. So, that's it. Remember, I told you I was gonna get a bob. When I be having to look in my head like I have to do it, I have to. There's nothing else I could do but the look. Like, I wouldn't have been able to sleep. So here's the lace. Let's look at this. And they didn't give me the little because they be giving people the little wax stick, but that's all right. They didn't give me that. But that's that. So that's the inside. You have 2 combs up front, a strap here. Strap here. You have the combs in the back. And you also have like the bra strap, little pieces to tighten it. So that's that. So this wig was regularly like $99. And after the discount, they gave me a 24% off because I downloaded the app, so you get 24% off. So it came to like 70 something. I'll leave everything down at the bottom. I just don't have it right in front of me because I'm using my phone. So, but this is it. So I'm gonna pluck it a little bit because I feel like it need a little bit more plucking here. Look a little more natural. It's not bad though. It's not bad. The lace is soft, stretchy. It don't even sting. It don't stink. It smell like hair. So that's that. So alright, so I'm about to do it, wash it, get everything together, and then I'll be right back. Well, y'all know I gotta take these braids out, right? So while it will seem like I magically took these braids out in 2 seconds and had a wig on, that's not gonna happen. So I'm about to take out my braids, wash my hair, style this hair, pluck this hair, do everything I need to do, and lay it, and I will get right back to you guys. Stay tuned. This is my Love Me Hair wig. So at this point, not really sure why I did that, but I did. I'm learning. I never actually laid a wig in this manner. I usually just cut the lace and throw that baby on and keep it moving. So this is my first time actually doing all of this, using the got to be and the makeup and everything, but I'm gonna get better and you guys are gonna watch me. All right, let's get back to it. Okay, you guys, so I did this wig. I love it. Love me hair. 2 thumbs up. If you want to order, I would say get the app. On the app, they gave me 24% off the hair. So this is really pretty, really soft. It moves a lot. I was just outside, like, and the wind is blowing a little bit, and it was like all over the place. So I'm gonna try to get like maybe like a light holding spray or whatever. This was my first time actually doing like a full lace in the front and with the stocking cap and everything, because I usually just I never like tack them down. I just cut it, boom, put it on, because I'm gonna take it off later. So I just wanted to try it. I have been watching videos, and so next time it'll be better. Every time I do it, I will bring it to you guys so you can see the progress, because I'm gonna get this. With this wig, I didn't want to do baby hairs, but you know, maybe the next one I will. I want to get this it's a long like curly joint that I want to get, but right now this is how I'm feeling. So got a surprise for y'all. Right now my daughter is in the other room and she is in labor. Due to COVID-19, we can't just bring her to the hospital right now, so the doctor told us, she went to the doctor a little bit earlier. The doctor told us to wait till the contractions are 3 minutes apart. So right now we're at 8. So you guys, I'm going to be a grandma for the second time with my granddaughter. So yeah, I was sitting here like doing my hair and just trying to like be easy or whatever, but like my daughter is legit in the other room having contractions. She's doing really, really well. I just ask that you just, you know, send out your blessings to my granddaughter, to our family, and I just pray to God that she has a safe delivery and a healthy baby. So yeah. Yeah, I'm a grandma twice. I'm a double G mom. But they're not gonna call me grandma, they're gonna call me abuela. I have come to that. I am abuela. So, dos abuelas. Alright, so Love Me Hair wig. I have everything below for you guys if you want to order, and you should order. And you see, I did it myself, so I think anyone could. You just gotta try it, you know. Just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye, dreamers. This is my Love Me Hair wig.